Yo, what's up, Texan Tech crew? If you're shopping for a new gaming PC in 2025, this video could literally save you hundreds of dollars. Because the question isn't just, should I buy a pre-built or build my own custom PC in 2025? It's, what's going to last me longer, give me more performance, and cost me less over time? And if you think a flashy RGB case with a 4060 slapped in it means you got a good deal, you might want to stick around. I run a PC repair shop. I build custom rigs. I work on gaming systems every day. And I'm seeing firsthand what happens when you choose wrong. So in this video, I'm going to break down what you're really paying for in a pre-built, what parts are secretly holding you back, and how building your own rig could not only save you money, it could save your whole system from dying early. And if you already bought a pre-built, stick around. I'll walk you through the exact upgrades you should do first. Let's start with custom PCs, because this is where the control is. You know every part you're putting in, from the brand of your motherboard to the brand of your power supply to the model of your SSD. You know the wattage, you know the cooling, you know the airflow in your case, and most importantly, you chose quality. You're not cutting no corners. You're not guessing what's in your PC. You're not hoping that the motherboard is some weird OEM trash with no BIOS features. And the best part, when it's time to upgrade your PC, you already know what's compatible. You know the DDR version you have. You know your CPU socket. You know what kind of power supply you need to power your graphics card. Now, let's talk pre-built. I'm going to be real here. There's nothing wrong with buying the pre-built. Sometimes it's the best option for people who just want to game without learning anything about building. But here's the reality. Most of the broken systems that show up in my shop are pre-builts. We're talking about power supplies that fail within a year, motherboards that throttle because the VRMs can't handle basic gaming loads, coolers that are barely better than stock. It's not always the GPU. It's about the parts supporting it. If you have a budget of only $500 to $800 to spend, then you would probably look at PCs in that price range. Here's what you will see in that price range. A flashy case, maybe 16 gigabytes of RAM. And if you're lucky, you get a GTX 1660 Super or a RX 580. Sometimes no GPU at all, just integrated graphics. Now take that same budget and build it yourself. You could snag a RTX 2060 for $100. You could RTX 2070, you can get it for $150, maybe $180. 3060 Ti, you can get it from $200 to $230. You can find a great deal on a lot of these parts. And if you pair them with a used Ryzen CPU and a good power supply, you'll outperform every pre-built in that price class. Now, if you already bought a pre-built gaming PC, don't worry. I'm not going to leave you hanging. You can absolutely turn it into a solid gaming rig, but you got to make smart upgrades. Here's what I recommend. Number one, power supply. This is your number one priority. Swap it out for an 80 plus bronze certified power supply, at least. A cheap no-name power supply can literally fry your GPU and your CPU. Go with brands like Corsair, EVGA, or Seasonic. Number two, cooling. Most pre-builds come with flashy but inefficient CPU coolers. Just because it has RGB doesn't mean it's good. Pick something reliable like the Cooler Master Hyper 212 Black Edition or the Deepcool AK400. Affordable, solid, and quiet. Number 3, motherboard. Check and make sure that your VRMs have heat sinks and they have more than 2 RAM slots, and make sure it supports overclocking if your CPU allows it. I've seen a lot of no-name boards are often the weakest links in these pre-builds. Number 4, if your pre-build is shipped with 1 stick of RAM, you're leaving performance on the table. Get dual channel. It's 2025. This is a non-negotiable. And that's it for today's breakdown. Shout out to the Taxi Tech crew for watching all the way through. And if you're new here, we'd love to have you in the community. Hit that like and subscribe button and join the crew. So here's the bottom line. You can buy pre-builds, just know what you're walking into. But if you got patience and you're willing to learn just a little, you can build something stronger, cooler, and last even longer for the same price or even less. If you don't want to go at it alone, that's why I make these videos. TaxinTap is here to help level you up, whether you're building for the first time or just trying to upgrade smartly. Catch you later on the next video, guys. Peace.